My name is Shakib Ahmed. I study in grade 8. Let me start by saying few words about Republic Day. India celebrates Republic Day every year on 26 January. This day is special because in 1950, on this day, India's constitution was implemented. This day celebrates India's long journey from the colonial rule to become an independent republic. India is commemorating its 75th Republic Day. It is a celebration of democracy and the enduring spirit of Indian people. It is a day filled with everyone demanding everyone of their rights and duties towards the country. On this day, we witness grand parades, especially in New Delhi NCR, National Capital Region. The parade showcases India's defense capability and culture and social heritage. We should respect our nation's symbols. Let's be proud of our nation's rich heritage and diverse culture. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.